Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add Review Schema Markup to your Wix website and help Google understand your reviews without touching a single line of code. Are your Wix product reviews not showing star ratings on Google even though customers are leaving reviews? Review Schema Markup is structured data that helps search engines understand your product reviews and ratings. When implemented correctly, Google can display rich results such as star ratings, review counts, product information. These rich snippets help your listing stand out and can improve click-through rates from search results. Many stores have schema issues such as missing review markup, invalid structured data, incorrect review properties, theme, or app conflicts. These issues can prevent Google from showing review-rich results even when your products already have customer reviews. Schema markup is typically added using the JSON-LD format, which provides structured information that search engines can easily read and process. Manual schema implementation works for small websites, but as your product catalog grows, it becomes much harder to manage and maintain. If you want to save time and avoid all the manual work, use JSON Schema App. This tool automatically adds schema markup to your store. Just follow these simple steps. First, click Install Wix App. You'll be redirected to the Wix App Store where you can install our app with a single click. Once the app is installed, complete the setup wizard. Then fill in the required details. This will scan your entire store, detect the appropriate schema types. The app will automatically add and manage the required schema types across your store for better visibility online. You can also configure special pages such as About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, and other custom pages during the setup process. After completing the wizard, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can view your updated schema health score, monitor your schema coverage, and manage all your structured data from one place. Once the schema is added, copy your product page URL, open the Rich Results Test tool, and paste the URL. Run the test and check whether the product and review schema are detected correctly. If everything is valid, your website is ready for review-rich results. That's where the JSON Schema app comes in. It automatically adds structured data, fixes schema issues, monitors markup changes, and keeps your schema updated over time so you can focus on growing your business while the app handles the technical work for you. That's it. Adding Review Schema Markup to Wix doesn't have to be complicated. With the right schema tool, you can automatically fix review markup issues, improve search visibility, and help your pages stand out with star ratings in Google. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.